What forklift parts are most important to your operations? The parts industry is flooded with competition, from a handful of actual forklift manufacturers to a bucketful of third-party suppliers. It's important to know who you're getting your parts from. Most parts have unique characteristics that are important to the overall functionality of your forklifts. Toyota Genuine parts are all manufactured to exact tolerances and to work seamlessly with other Toyota Genuine parts and the original components of your Toyota forklift. Only Toyota Genuine parts should be used as replacement parts on Toyota forklifts, especially when replacing brake components, safety-related parts and accessories, and tune-up parts. Industry-wide, these important parts should only come from the original equipment manufacturer. To ensure proper maintenance in key parts categories, Toyota offers parts kits that include all the parts and components needed for servicing. Toyota parts kits are designed for efficient and effective maintenance by an in-house technician or by your Toyota certified tech. Forklifts are too large of an investment and too important to your supply chain to use generic cheap parts. Keep your Toyota a Toyota by only using Toyota Genuine parts. Find out more about Toyota Genuine parts and what parts kits are available at toyotaforklifts.com.